Nah, you're fine. Drama queen.
This shit happening.
My snow scraper's not in the car.
Well, as long if there's a foot of it, then I'm good.
Bye.
If we get a foot, then damn, this is the first time we've seen snow here in the last little bit. Oh yeah, it's good. You know, I'm just saying though, I don't like snow unless there's gonna be a foot of it.
Why?
Because then we can ride the snowmobile. Yeah, but all the trails are closed.
When they open. December 1st. Oh, shit.
Man, we gotta wait a whole fucking month, man.
Yeah.
Damn. We're gonna have to go bombing through Farmers Field. Driving down the side of the road and shit, man. Be like some outlaw snowmobilers. But it was like they didn't even want to pay like $110 a square. And then
Ooh. I should have grabbed another layer. I'm only in a sweater. Man.
make the fucking money, you know.